Hi, my name is Gavin. In this video today, we will be talking about the benefits of a makeup mirror and how it can change your life. Yes, you heard me. But before we go ahead and do that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the post notification bell to get a daily dose of Luxfurni. So why does it seem like every romantic comedy movie features a woman facing a vanity mirror and getting ready for a special night out? They always seem happy facing the mirror while putting on their makeup and doing their thing. Well, the obvious reason for that is putting on makeup in front of a well-lit makeup mirror is really something special. From Hollywood studios to a cramped flat, vanity mirrors are the most coveted pieces today. Mirror manufacturers tell us what features their products have, but has anyone really talked about the benefits of having one? We did our research with the people of Luxfurni to find out what are the benefits of having a vanity mirror, and here are the juicy facts that can actually change your life. See more and do more. Let's face it, all the money that you invest on purchasing the best branded makeup is worth nothing without a good mirror. Daytime makeup is very easy, especially when the sun is out. All you need is just an eyeshadow and some eyeliner to finish the job, and you can come out as fresh as you would want to be. For evening sizzle, tweaking your application with some color and sparkle requires more than just an average mirror. Premium vanity mirrors come in various forms and functions. Tri-fold vanity mirrors that allow you to see your face from all angles are worth every penny. Creating the perfect blush becomes a breeze. Touch-ups are much easier with frameless makeup mirrors and magnifications. Plus, they are perfect bedroom access because of their minimalist designs. Vanity mirrors with LED lights are simply worth all the trouble. Seeing all those fine lines, wrinkles, and zits allow you to properly conceal them with layers of an even foundation. Organized vanity area. Brushing and buffing the face of yours to achieve a clean and even foundation can take a lot of time. Putting on those mascara and eyeshadow is enough to fill your vanity area with piles of makeup and cosmetic bottles. Before you know it, you are late for the special date of yours. Coming home to a messy vanity area can be a pain every day. We all know that an organized vanity area is too much to ask. Luxfurni vanity mirrors come with everything you need, from LED lights to a built-in cosmetic organizer. Just imagine having all your brushes and lipsticks in front of you. Say goodbye to your leaky cosmetic bottles because organizing them is so easy with a non-slip silicone holder that holds everything in place. Oh, but in case you spill it, it's made of a stain-free material. Step up on creativity. Layering on eyeshadows, doubling up on mascara, and slacking on lashes sound a bit too difficult to do on your own. Not to mention creating those filled brows and naughty lips without proper lighting is simply impossible. But with the right amount of light, brightness, and color temperature, doing it is just a matter of skill. Luxfurni vanity mirrors come with smart touch technology, which allows you to adjust the brightness and color temperature with just a tap. Switching from warm white to cool white is as easy as turning it on. For those gloomy days or nighttime application, brightness level can be adjusted to a maximum of 6,500 Kelvin to simulate the natural radiance of sunlight. Imagine having the perfect lighting for every occasion at the comforts of your own home. Cool, isn't it? But that is not all. If you are a creature of habit, remembering your most desired settings is not a problem with its smart memory functions, which saves your settings automatically. Long-term investment. We all understand what a hassle it is to go to the store and buy some light bulbs, let alone your electricity bills. Good quality makeup mirrors use ultra-premium bright LEDs that allow you to save on energy by as much as 70 to 80% compared to traditional light bulbs. LEDs used by Luxfurni has a long lifespan of 80,000 hours, or a little over 10 years. Now, that is a lot of savings. If you like this video, please send us a comment below or hit us up on Facebook or YouTube for more of these.